Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture to your Prime Video account. So what you want to do, just simply hover over your profile on the upper right hand side once you're in Prime Video, and you can click on manage profiles there, and here you will find your accounts. And have a look at this one for Robbie here. He has a face there, a picture there. So you can click on edit profile, and it's going to give you the pencil icon to edit each profile. So find a profile that you want to edit the picture for, click on the pencil icon, and you can simply click on the pencil icon again on that picture. Let's say profile header at the top here. As you can see, once I hover over it, it says change. I click on that and I can choose, right? So you have a ton of different picture. What I want to say is that it doesn't really give you the option to upload your own image. So you just want to choose something of your choice there. So let's say I want to choose this guy here. I can simply click on him. And as you can see, the picture is there. I simply click on save changes. And guess what? This profile has a picture that is added to it. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.